Let's start the Q&A or question and answer. What flower is this? Time's up. That is rose. Okay. For number 2, what is the picture? Kung ocean ang sagot nyo, tama. Kung beach, tama. Ano ang nasa picture? Kung Christmas ang sagot nyo, tama. Kung Pasko, parehas na tama. Next question. Ano ang nasa picture? Kung New Year ang sagot nyo, tama. Kung bagong taon, tama. Ano yung nasa picture? Kung birthday ang sagot nyo, tama. Kung kaarawan ang sagot nyo, tama. Look at the picture. Kung summer ang sagot nyo, tama. Kung tag-init, tama. Guess the sports. What sports is this? That sports is volleyball. What sports is this? That is basketball. Next sports. What sports is this? That is soccer. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.